Welcome to Stockley Training Video Series. In this video I am going to show you how to use GIF, stickers, vectors, illustration and animated text sections in Stockley. Go to left menu and click on GIF. Now you are on GIF section. You can search GIF by keyword. And your search results are here. You can download it. And you can save GIF in your local storage. For stickers, go to the left menu and click on Stickers. Now you are on Stickers section. You can search all stickers by keyword. And all of your search data is here. You can download it. For vectors, go to left menu and click on Vectors. Now you are on Vectors section. You can search vectors by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can preview it. You can download it. Or edit it. For illustration, go to left menu and click on Illustration. Now you are on Illustration section. You can search illustration by keywords. All of your search data is here. You can preview it. You can download it. Or edit it. For animated text, go to left menu and click on Animated Text. Now you are on Animated Text. You can search animated text by your desired keywords. Your search results are here. You can download it. Thanks for watching the video.